In a lush green forest, a wise old buffalo named Benny and a chatty parrot named Polly were neighbours.
Benny, do you know how colorful and wonderful the world is?
Polly, I see the world through my own eyes, and it's beautiful in its own way.
One day, a hunter entered the forest looking for exotic birds to capture.
Benny, we're in danger. We must fly away.
Polly, I can't fly, but I'll help you.
Benny hid Polly in his thick fur, camouflaging her from the hunter.
Disappointed. No parrots here. Let's go.
Once the hunter left, Benny let Polly out.
Benny, you saved me.
Remember, Polly, everyone has unique strengths. Mine is to protect, and yours is to explore.
Polly realized that beauty and strength came in many forms. Moral of the story: embrace your own strengths and respect others for theirs, as diversity makes the world richer and safer.
Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe Tiny Tales Universe.